Whether you like your toast sweet or on the savory side, you will love the convenience of having sweet potato toast on hand for busy mornings. This recipe is meant for meal prepping so that you can spend less time cutting and repeatedly toasting. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Make sure you choose large, round sweet potatoes since it gives you more surface area to load up. Cut off any odd parts sticking out, and then peel your sweet potato, though you could certainly keep the skin if you prefer. Using a sharp knife or mandolin, carefully cut your sweet potato in half on a solid surface. Then cut your slices about 1/2 inch as they will shrink a bit in the oven. Repeat with both sweet potatoes. Keep the smaller ones too so that you can still have them with other breakfasts. Line a baking sheet with a silicone mat or parchment paper and line up your slices. If you like any spice on them, add it before roasting. Place it in the oven for 10 minutes and give them a flip and season the other side. You'll do this a total of 3 more times for a total cooking time of 40 minutes. I know it sounds like a long time, but this is for successful meal prep. Then allow the slices to cool on a rack for 15 minutes or so. Place them in an airtight container, layering wax paper between them so they're ready to go with just 1 round in the toaster or under a broiler to heat them for topping. Sweet potato toast is a tasty alternative to refined carbs if you're watching them, or just something yummy to change up a breakfast rep. Make sure to visit my blog for ideas on sweet and savory toppings to kickstart your morning. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.